Hello friends, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the restoring division. So for the division there are two methods, restoring and non-restoring. So first we will discuss about the restore. So like considering the basics, this is the restoring method is the basic method which on childhood method, the way which we have studied the division. Okay, so consider if any division is given, consider is given 6 divided by 4. So 6 divided by 4 is given, so we can write here the 6 is called as dividend, this 4 is called as divisor, and whatever will get it like a 4 divided by 6 here. Okay, so this is a divisor, this is dividend, whatever you will get it, this is coefficient, whatever here will get it, that is remainder. So this division also we can do by the repeated subtraction. Like consider we have, I have this one of consider 6 chocolate, and I have to distribute in the 3 kids. So what I can do it, I can give 1 to this guys, 1 to this guys, 1 to this guy. Means 3 extra chocolate I have distributed. So 6 minus 3, which is what 3 will be remaining. For me 3 will be remaining. Again 1 I will give to this, again I will give to this, again I will give to this. So how much that all these guys will get it? Each will get it 2 2. So this 2 2 means this is your 2 is the coefficient. So 2 is the called as quotient. Sorry, quotient. And whatever remaining I will be getting will be there in my hand, that is your remainder. So here in the case all are equally distributed, and we are I have in my hands no chocolate, so remainder is 0. Consider I have 7 chocolates and I have distributed 2 2 2. So I have already distributed 6 chocolates, so only 1 chocolate will be remaining, and that chocolate we cannot distribute because equally they will not get here. That one value is what less than the equal distribution, so 1 will be remained at that time. So this is a, we can do it by the repeated subtraction, but the repeated subtractions will be the very slow. Consider if 1000 we have, 10,000 we have to distribute in the one person. So first I will give 1, then again 1, then again 1. It will be very slow process. So we require some super fast method. We can do the division without any multiplications. Yeah, any another method, first method. So the first method is here, restoring divisions. So this 6 and 4 we are dividing here. So this 6 is called as dividend, 4 is called as divisor here. So how do you divide this? So first what will you do? This 6 and 4 will try to subtract. We'll subtract it here. So what will you get? 6 and minus 4 is 2, means positive number. I am telling you the algorithm, listen carefully here. What I have done, this is the dividend, this is divisor. In the first method, first only one digit is given. Consider maybe it's 2 digit also. The left values of this dividend have to subtract with the divisor. If you get the values positive, this step is called as successful. When you got the successful, no restoring required. No restoring required. Okay, but consider if you given here 4 divided by 3, yes, 32 something is given here. That time if you, this is first left values of dividend, and that time if you subtract with the 4 here, we'll get the negative values here. So negative value means negative value of this one minus 1. So this means this is not actually divisible here. This value is what lesser than, this dividend value is lesser than that divisor values. So that times the computer, what it will do here, will try to restore the same previous values 3, and will try to divide by the two numbers. at a time. Like here also 4 and 32, if you divide here, this 3 by 4 won't go, so we'll take 2 digits at a time, right? And 32 by 4, 8, it will go 32 and remainder will be 0. So somehow this is how here also first value, first left value of dividends have to subtract with divisor. If you got it negative, then this step is called as unsuccessful, and that time restoration have to perform. So how will you restoring means -4, but I want to get back to the 3 only. Means register will want to, this microprocessor, this processor want to get back to the 3 only. So what will you do? Again, whatever you subtracted, you add it, you will get the value of 3. So this method is called as restoration. Okay, this method is called as restoration, where you subtracted and you got the negative values, then it's set to be unsuccessful. Whenever the unsuccessful performs, you have to add back to the previous values which you have added, and the restoration has to perform. So once again, I will tell you the algorithms here. At each step, first you do the left shift, subtract the divisor from this dividend, left dividend. If you got it positive, if the result is positive, then the step is said to be successful. In this case, quotient will be 1, quotient values will be 1, and no restoration required. If the result is negative, then it's said to be unsuccessful. That time quotient will be 0, and in this case, restoration is performed by adding back the divisor. So this is our the algorithm for the restoring division. Okay, so I have written here the algorithms. Q is equal to register which hold the dividend, M is divisor, and register A initially will be 0. This register A is also called as accumulator registers. Okay, so number of steps is required to the number of bits in the dividend. How much dividend will be there? That much steps we have to perform. Same algorithms which one I have discussed now. At each step, first to do the left shift, dividend by the 1 position, subtract divisor from A. If the result is positive, then it's said to be successful. That in this case, quotient will be 1, restoring is not required. If the result is negative, then step is said to be unsuccessful. That time quotient will be 0, and restoring is performed by adding back the divisor. Hence this method is called as restoring division. And repeat this step 1 to 4 for all the bits of the dividend. Okay, so we'll solve with the example, then we'll come back to it. So here consider the same example here. 6 divided by 4, we'll do 6 divided by 4. So here dividend is Q, and that value is what, 6. Divisor, which we'll consider as a M register, that is 4, and the accumulator, this is initial registers, and this value will be 0. First what you do here, whatever the value is given, write in the binary number. 6 binary number is 0 1 1 0. I do write for the negative number also. -6 1 0 1 0. 4 is 0 1 0 0, and -4 is, write in the second complement this one, 1 1 0 0. Second complement means just copy the number from the right hand side as it is only till that you got it 1. Like 0 0 copy, 0 0 copy, till you getting the 1, you copy it as it is only. First one also you copy it. After that all the values you take the complement. Okay, like consider any number is given like 1 0 1 0 1 here. If you want to find the second complement here, so from the this side, right side, you copy the number as it is till you get the first number, first one. So first position only we got the first one, and now you do the second, just first complement only. So 1 0 1 0. So this will be the second complement of this value. Like similarly 6 0 1 1 0 we have written. Copy the number till you get the first one. So copy the number 0. This is 1 we got. Now complement it 0 and 1. So we got it 1 0 1 0. So this is how you can find into the first second complement of any number. Okay, anyway. So now here we'll make the tables. This accumulator which having the values of 0. This is dividend with q and that value is 6. And here divisor, this value is 4, and you have to write in the binary number. Now initial values, here we will write the comment. Initial all accumulator is 0 0 0. We have written in the 4 bits because this 6 is maximum values, and maximum values in the 6 we can write in the 4 bit. So I have taken the register also for the 4 bit. So this is 0 1 1 0, and this is 0 1 0 0. This is 6, this is 4. So now this is the initial values. So what is the algorithms? First step, how many steps have to do? The number of bits in the dividend, right? This algorithms, first algorithms here, the number of steps is equal to the number of bits in the dividend. How much bits in the dividend here? 4 bits. So we have to do the 4 steps. So first step number 1. What is the step number 1? At each step left shift of the dividend by the first position. First you do the left position, left shift. So this one left shift if you do, then 0 0 0 0, this 0 will come here, and here 1 1 1 1 1 0 0, and this bit will be the empty. This will be empty, and that will decide by adding the number is successful comes, the unsuccessful come after the add. This is the left shift. Okay, and this bit is what empty, you write it as that. Now subtract the divisor from A. Subtract the divisor from A means subtract the 4. Subtracting the 4 means adding the minus 4. Okay, this one. So you subtract M. Subtract M means you take the second complement and add it. Second complement of 4. If you don't know this subtraction additions, you go to the previous lecture and then you come back to this one. Subtractions means adding the second complement. The subtraction of M means subtraction of 4 is adding the second complement of 4. So here the value is 1 1 0 0. So add it. So we'll get it 1 1 0 0, and this will be 1 1 0. And now you can see here this one. This value is negative. Why negative? Because MSB is 1. MSB is 1 indicates this number is negative. I have discussed in the previous video for MSB for positive numbers, negative numbers, and sign numbers. Okay, and unsigned numbers you can go through the last previous video and then you can come back. So here this 1 indicates MSB is 1, indicates that this number is negative. So negative means this is unsuccessful. So unsuccessful means you have to restore the value by adding itself. So this value you have added here, so we will get these values only. So in the paper not required, but processor will do it. Processor now having the updated values is this one. Now you want to get back to 0 0 0, they have to subtract this one again. But now we have added in 0 0 0 these values and it's become negative, so you have to restore the values. Restoring the value means 0 0 0 0 again it will come here, means just to subtracting these values. Okay, and here 1 1 0, and this value will be 0 also, because this whenever the unsuccessful is there, quotient becomes 0. Okay, so this values is step 1 is over. Okay, if any doubt then you comment here. What I told here, this 1 indicates this number is negative. whenever the number is negative, you have to perform the restoring by adding itself of divisor. If this numbers, if you add it again divisor, you will get it 0 0 0 0 only. So just we have written 0 0, have to not show here, but processor will do in the different registers in the computer. Okay, but here we know that again while restoring, we are not stupid here. Okay, so you want to, we know that this values I have added, I got it this. So again this value only I will subtract it, so you will get the original value, right? Like example, I written here that 4 divided by 332. So here 4 is subtracted, here we got it minus 1. Again you want to get back to the 3 here, so just you have to add it, whatever the here you subtracted, again you add it, will get it 3 here. Okay, so you have to not so, but processor will do in the computer. Okay, this step 1 is over. How many steps have to perform? 4 steps, because there are 4 bit of dividend. Now in the step 2, same thing, now we continue. Same term, what you have to do, first left shift. Left shift means 0 0 0, and this become 1, and this is 1 0 0, and this bit will be empty. Then again subtract m. Subtract m means adding the 1 1 0 0, second complement of 4. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1. Again this number is MSB is 1, so the number is negative. Number is negative, so you have to restore the value by adding itself of the divisor. So you'll get it here 0 0 0 1 itself, only this value is only after restoration, and this value is 1 0 0 and 0, because quotient will be 0, because this step is unsuccessful came. So whenever the unsuccessful we got, quotient will be 0 and restoration performed. Step 2 is over. Step 3, again left shift. So here we will get 0 0 1 1, and here we will get it 0 0 0, and this is there. Again subtract m. Subtract m means adding the second complement of 4 1 1 0. So we will get it 1 1 1 1. Again MSB is 1, which means again the number is negative. So again have to restore. So restoring the value means 0 0 1 1, and this value 0 0 0, and this will also 0, because again here this step is unsuccessful. Till here step 3 is also over. Now the last step, step 4. Left shift 0 1 1 0, and here 0 0 0, and this bit is empty. Now again subtract m. 1 1 0 0, so 0, this is 1 1 plus 1 0, carry 1 1 plus 1 0 1, and carry 1 is what ignore, because it keep recurring all the way infinity, so just we have to neglect it. So this is 0 0 1 0. So MSB is 0 means this number is positive. Whenever the positive you got it here, there is no restoration. Okay, restoring have to not perform, but the quotient will be 0 0 0, and quotient will be 1 whenever the step is successful. Whenever the step is successful, restoration is not performed, and quotient bit will be 1. So this is the last step, and we have over. So now you can check out here, this values will be, this value is which one we got it here, and this value which one we got it here. This is reminder, and this is the quotient. This value is 1, and this value is how much? 2. So if you 6 divided by 2 if you do, so you will get the quotient, 6 divided by 4 if you do, then quotient will get it 1, and remainder is 2. So this is how we have to perform the restoring division. We'll see some more examples. Next question is 23 divided by 3. So here dividend Q is equal to 23, divisor M is equal to 3, and the accumulator a is equal to 0 initially. So I told here 23 and minus 23 all you write in the binary. 23 we can write 0 1 0 1 1 1. Minus 23 means find the second complement. Till the one you copy it and write the first complement of this number 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, so we'll get it 101 001. So 3 also write it here, you can write it here 0 0 1 1. Since the dividend is the 5-bit number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 bit we have to consider. So this also you consider as a 6 bit. Okay, 5 bit if you want, 5 bit also you can take. 6 bit means you have to perform the 6 step. Minus 3 you can write it here, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this is we have already done in the first complement and positive numbers and negative numbers. So let's start. This is the accumulator, this is dividend Q which is having 33, this is divisor which is value is 3. So initial values, this accumulator is 6 bit 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 0. This is dividend 23 which is 0 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, this values 0 1 0 1 1 1, and this divisor is 3 0 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, so let's start. This is the initial values. How many steps have to perform? 6 steps have to perform because the dividend is 6-bit numbers. So step 1, left shift. This here you write the comment. Left shift. So you write 0 0 0 0 0 0, and this is 1 0 1 1 1, and this bit is empty. Now we'll subtract the m. Subtract the m means adding the second complement. Adding the second complement which is minus 3 1 1 1 1 0 1. So you can write here subtract m means adding the 1 1 1 1 0 1. So adding this number will get it here 1 1 1 1 0 1. So you can come to know this is what most of this MSB is here 1. Since the MSB is 1 here, this MSB is 1 here, so this number, this step is unsuccessful and have to perform. So restoring perform is 0 0 0 0 0 and 0, this 6 bit, and this is 1 0 1 1 1, and this value will be 0 because this value is unsuccessful. So whenever the step is unsuccessful, it perform the restoration and quotient bit will be 0. So this one is step 1 is over. Now in the step 2, left shift. So 0 0 0 0 0 and 1, this value will come here. Here 0 triple 1 0, and this bit is empty. Subtract m. Subtract add means adding the minus 3 1 1 1 1 0 1. So add it here. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. This is 1 1 1 1 1. So here again we come to know here this number is MSB is 1, which number is negative. So here this is also a step is unsuccessful. Unsuccessful we can get it more times, that's why this step is little slow, and the restoration method is what we will do in the first. But this step is unsuccessful, so we have to restore the values. Restoring the values means write the previous values. So 0 0 0 0 0 1, and this 0 0 this 0 1 1 1 0, and this also 0 because quotient will be quotient bit will be 0 because this step is came unsuccessful. Till here step 2 is over. Step 3, left shift. So you can write 0 0 0 0 and 1 and 0, and this one is 1 1 1 0 0, and this bit is subtract m, means 1 1 1 1 0 1. So this value is 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. So again this MSB is 1 here. So this step is, this value is negative, so this is unsuccessful. So restoration have to perform. So we'll get 0 0 0 0 1 0 and 1 1 1 0 0. This bit will be 0 because we got it unsuccessful. So quotient bit will be 0. Till here step 3 is over. Next step 4, left shift. So 0 0 0 1 0 1, and here 1 1 0 0 0, and this bit is empty. Subtract m. Subtract m means 1 1 1 1 0 1. So if you add it here, this will get it 1 1 0 carry 1. This is 1 1 1 0 carry 1, and this is 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 0 carry 1. So this bit is positive. Positive means because this MSB is 0, MSB is 0 means this number is positive. Positive means this is successful. So there are no restoration performed. So this number will be your final number, and this quotient bit will be 1. So you can write this quotient bit will be here 1. You can write it here. I was copying here. Here only you can write it. Till here step 4 is over. Step 5, left shift. So you'll get it here 0 0 0 1 0 1, and here I will write in the blue marker so you will not confuse. This is step 5, left shift. So 0 0 0 1 0 1, and this is 1 0 0 0 1. This bit is empty. Subtract m. Subtract means 1 1 1 1 0 1. So 1 1 0 carry 1. This is 1 1 1 0 carry 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 1. So this is 0 only. Carry you have to ignore. So again 0 means this number is positive and this is successful. Successful means no restoration required, and this bit will be 1. Quotient bit will be 1 whenever the step is successful. Now the last step, step 6. Do the left shift. 0 0 0 1 0 1, and this value is 0 0 0 1 1, and this bit is empty. Subtract m. So 1 1 1 1 0 1. So 1 1 0 carry 1. This is 1 1 0. This is 1 1 1 0 carry 1 0 0 0 and carry 1. Carry ignore. So this again, this MSB is here 0, which means the number is MSB is 0. Then this is positive number. This is successful. Successful means there is no restoration performed. MSB will be 1. This quotient bit will be 1. So final answer, this step 6. Then you have to stop here. So final answer we got it here what 0 0 0 0 1 0, and here we got it 0 0 0 1 1 1. So this value is how much? 7. This value is 2. So this is remainder and this is quotient. So if you do here 23 by 3, will 3, so 7 is the quotient, and 7 3 is 21, 2 is remainder. Okay, so our step is all correct. So this is how I have to do the restoration. Only the simple things, this is basics only. Only keep in mind, whenever the unsuccessful is there, perform the restoration. Performing the restoration means adding the previous values we have already discussed. Just go through once again. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the non-restoring. So this restoring was good here. So again, why another method is required? Because you see here, this is unsuccessful when restoration is performed. This is unsuccessful. Again, so there are so many times here is what extra luggage is there for the unsuccessful here, and we most probably will get the chances here. Here 6 bit dividend. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 times. How many times? 3 times unsuccessful. So maybe most of the chance we'll get the unsuccessful step, unsuccessful here, and one extra step is what here carried out, which is restoring. That is the disadvantage of this algorithm. Okay, here we are restoration we are doing just writing the previous value, but in the computer this registers have to add it and again have to perform one extra task. Okay, so there are so many unsuccessful chances is there to get it, so that's why this algorithm is little slow compared to the non-restoring method. So we'll do by the non-restoring methods. So this is the algorithm for the non-restoring division here. So till step 3 is the same as the restoring divisions. Okay, so the number of steps required equal to the number of bits in the dividend. At each step, the left shift the dividend by the first position, one position. Subtract the divisor from A at this accumulator. If the result is positive, then a step is said to be successful, and in the quotient bit will be 1. Restoring is not required. Okay, till here the step is what same as the restoring. After that only changes here. So whenever the restoring is performed, whenever you are simply you are doing it here, like consider like the example we have done, like 32 we did and 4 we did here. So 4 we subtracted here, so we got it here negative number. So this step is said to be unsuccessful. Consider 4 divided by is given, we taken the example 62. That time this 4, if you subtract, then we'll get it 2. This is positive. If positive you got it here, then it's said to be successful, and the quotient bit will be 1, and restoring is not performed. So till here the step is the same. Now here whenever the unsuccessful step comes, then in the previous step, previous algorithm, restoring method, we perform the restorations and quotient bit will be 0. We have done. In the non-restoring division, whenever the next step is unsuccessful, quotient bit will be 0, but have to not perform the restoration. Make ensure that whatever the value comes negative, keep as it is only. Make ensure that the next step should be addition. Okay, next step in the place of subtraction, like a minus m, you do it a plus a. Okay, and you have to perform the same steps for all the bits of dividend. Last step, consider if you are having the 4 bits dividend and 4 step is over, and last fourth step the value is negative, so we cannot go to the 5th. Okay, you cannot go to the 5th step because 4 step only over, and this value is fourth step we got the negative. That time only the last step restoring performs. Whenever you got in the last step negative numbers, then only we can perform the restorations. Okay, so I will read the algorithm, then we'll see the example, then we'll understand more better. If the register bit is negative, then a step is said to be unsuccessful. In this case, quotient bit will be 0, is same only. Like till here is what also you can tell this is the same. The restoration is not required to perform. Here, restoration is not performed because we are studying non-restoration method. Instead of next step will be additions in the place of subtraction. Now in the place of a minus m, you do it a plus m. Okay, have to ensure that the next step should be the a plus m. Okay, as the restoration is not performed, so this method is said to be non-storing divisions method. Repeat all the step 1 to 4 for all the bit of dividend. I written here the notes also. Restorations may be performed in the final step if it is unsuccessful, means negative number you got it there, and there is no steps thereafter will be there, because this is the last step. That time only the last, in case if it comes like that situation, you have to perform the restoration. So as there is no any next step thereafter, in that such cases restoration is performed by adding back to the divisor. We'll see the example there will come to. Like consider we are dividing with the same numbers which we have taken the example here. We did 6 divided by 4 we did. Okay, so 6 divided by 4 we have done. So here dividend is, dividend q is 6, and the divisor m is equal to 4, accumulator a is equal to 0 initial. So the 6 we can write it in term of binary number 0 1 1 0, minus 6 we can write it here, this is 0 1 0 1, 4 we can write 0 1 0 0, and minus 4 we can write 0 0 1 1. Okay, so let's start. So this is your accumulator, which initial value is 0 0 0 0. This is dividend, which is 6. So this value is 0 1 1 0. This is divisor, which is m, that value is 4 with 0 0 0 1 0 0. So this is the initial values which is given, initialization. Now step 1, how many steps required? 4 steps have to required. Step 1, first one you do the left shift. So 0 0 0 0 1 1 0, and this bit is empty. Now subtract m, like a same algorithm, subtract m. Subtracting m means subtracting 4. Okay, minus 4. So minus 4 means adding the second complement. So you can write 1 1 0 0. So if you add it here, we'll get it 1 1 0 0. So this bit, since this MSB is 1, this step is unsuccessful. Yeah, negative number, unsuccessful. So unsuccessful is there. So this bit will be 0. The quotient bit will be 0. Our next step have to do addition. Registration have to not perform, but next step we have to do the addition. What addition? I will write it here. Step 2, first do the left shift. So you'll get it here 1 0 0. This is 1, and here we'll get it 1 0 0. This is empty. And here when you that time you are subtracting m, here you add m. Next step, compulsory have to add it when you got the unsuccessful in the previous step. Here only, that's why here only you mark it. Next step is addition. You have to not restoring, because that was a step, one step is extra luggage was there. So you have to continue as it is only, but make ensure that the next steps will be added. Okay, next step you have to perform the addition. Addition means you have to perform the add 4. Add 4 means this 4 is. So 0 1 0 0. So we can write 1 0 1 0. We got it here. how much? 1 0 1, and sorry, this is also 1 only. This is 1. So here again, here MSB is 1. So MSB is 1 here. So this MSB is 1. This step is also unsuccessful. So the quotient bit will be 0, and again the next step should be addition only. Step 3. Again do the left shift. We'll get it 1 0 1 1, and this step is 0 0 0, and this bit is empty. Now add m. Add m, which means add 4. 0 1 0 0. So we'll get it here 1 1 1 1. Again here MSB is 1. So this is unsuccessful. Again here this bit will be 0. The quotient bit will be 0. So unsuccessful is getting is fine, but there is no any registrations extra step we are not solving. Now step 4. Again left shift. So we'll get it here 1 1 1 0, and this will be 0 0 0, and this bit is empty. Next again here we have done the unsuccessful, so we have to next add it. So here addition, add m. So we'll get it 0 1 0 0. So we'll get it 0 1 1 1 0, carry 1 1 1 0, and carry ignore. So since this is a positive number, this is 0 here getting here in the MSB. So this number is positive. The quotient bit will be 1. Quotient bit will be 1. So this will be your reminder, and this will be the quotient, because we have already solved the step 4. So this value is how much? 2, and this value is what? 1. So if you 6 divided by 4, if you do, the quotient is 1, remainder is 2. The answer is correct. Consider in this step also, if you comes here 1, that time next step you cannot, next step is not there to perform the addition. That time only reiteration performs. Otherwise will be the stop here on. Okay, we'll see some more examples, then we come. So same the like example which one we have done in the for the restoring. 23 by 3 we are doing by the non-restoring method. So here dividend q is equal to 23, divisor m is equal to 3, accumulator is equal to 0. This 23 we can write in the binary, which is 0 1 0 1 1 1, and 23 we can write in the negative. This one we can write in the 1. This is 1 0 0 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 0 0 1. 3 we can write in the binary 0 0 0 0 1 1. Minus 3 we can write 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, so let's start. So now this is the accumulator. This is dividend q, which is 23, This is divisor. This is 3. Then accumulator is 0. So here first we'll initial values 0 0 0 0 0 3 and 3 6. Okay. Now the dividend is 0 1 0 1 1 1 and this value is 0 0 0 0 1 1. So now first we'll do the left shift. This is the initial value. So just I will mark it here. Now step 1. How many steps have to do? 6 steps. So step 1, left shift. So left side will get 0 0 0 0 0 0 and here we'll get it 1 0 1 1 1 and dash. Now subtract m. Subtract m means adding minus 3. Okay, subtract 3 means this one adding the second complement of 3. So we'll get it here 1 1 1 1 0 1. So now we'll add it here this one. So we'll get it 1 1 1 1 0 1. So this, since this MSB is 1, so this is the unsuccessful. So this bit will be the 0, this quotient bit will be 0, and next step we have to do the addition. This step 1 is over. Now in the step 2, first do the left shift. So you will get it here 1 0 1 1 and here 0 1 1 1 0 and this is dash. Okay, so now instead of subtractions we have to add m. Add m means add the value of 3, which is 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So if you add it here 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 plus 1 is 1 carry 1. So this is 1 and this is also 1 1 1. This 3 and this 3 6. So here again this value is 1. So this step is also unsuccessful. So the quotient will be 0 here. Till here step 2 is over. Now in the step 3, left shift. So left shift means here we can write it here 1 1 1 1 4 0 0 and this is 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 0 and this bit is empty. So now here again this came unsuccessful, so next time was addition here. So add m. Add m means add the 3 values 0 0 0 0 1 1. So we'll get it here 1 1 1 1 1 1 and this is also unsuccessful because MSB is 1 here. So unsuccessful. So this bit will be this bit will be 0. Still here the step 3 is over. Step 4, left shift. So 1 1 1 1 1 3 2 5 6 is over. So here 1 1 and 0 0 0. This bit is empty. Again this is unsuccessful comes. So next time is addition. Add m. Add m is 0 0 0 0 1 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. This step is successful. So this step is what here MSB is 0. So this step is successful. So the quotient bit will be 1. So next step will be the subtraction, like a normal only. So whenever they got it here, the next step will be subtraction. So now how many steps is over? Step 4 is over. So now let's continue. Step 5, left shift 0 0 0 1 0 1, and this is 1 0 0 0 1. This bit is empty. So subtract m. Subtract m means adding the second complement, which is 4101. 1 1 1 1 0 1. Add it. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, which is no use. Okay, so again here we got it 0, means this step is successful. So this MSB bit, quotient bit will be 1. Again next step will be as normal subtraction only. Whenever the successful is there, you have to do the normal step as subtraction. So again left shift 0 0 0 1 0 1. This is 0 0 0 1 1, and this bit is empty. Now subtract m, means 1 1 1 1 0 1. Add it. Second complement this is. So 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 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 1. So this is also positive numbers only. Okay, because the MSB is 0. Since the MSB is here a 0, so this is successful. Okay, so the quotient value will be 1. So now say step 6 is over. So this value will be your remainder. This value will be the quotient. This is remainder. So 23 divided by 3 with this. 7 is the quotient. So quotient we got it here. This is 7 only, and this is 2 is the remainder. If with the last step, if you comes here 1, yeah, negative numbers, yeah, this is unsuccessful, then restorations you have to perform. We'll see some example for the last step where you got the negative, yeah, unsuccessful, that in the next lecture. Thank you for the watching.